Hello world, welcome to my channel. This blog is focused on investigating pain from the side of science and medicine to the spiritual, in order to understand the pain from the depths and find solutions to manage it. The physiological pain model focuses on underlying causative mechanisms as opposite to the pain condition classification systems. To review terms, nociceptive pain is merely normal functioning of the neural sensor wire perception system. The system serves useful purpose in alerting the brain to bodily injury. Neuropathic and central pain, however, is a manifestation of true dysfunction and can be the disease itself. If we consider a bundle of axon neuropraxia, axonotmesis and neurotmesis represent points along a complex continuum of damage to axons and nerves. The three possibilities for individual axons are normal function, hyperfunction, and hypofunction. Hyperfunction can also be thought of as sensitization or irritation. The ultimate hypofunction is axon death without regrowth. Free nerve endings can also be sensitized or irritated, which is considered here to be in the neuropathic category. Understanding neurophysiology of pain pathways is helpful. Further, we propose that all pain can be understood by considering problems of stimulation of sensors, conduction along nerves, and perception in the spinal cord and brain. The perception then may involve feedback, either positive or negative. If negative, the result is by and large a dysfunction that conceptually could stand alone. A key concept is that the neural pain system follows basic electrochemical principles. The analogy of the neural net in complex electrical circuitry seems to be an accurate one. The pain sensor free nerve endings are relatively simple. The wires, peripheral nerves are even simpler. The central nervous system is incredibly complex. We are discovering that the spinal cord is not just a transmission device. Complex interactions can occur here also. Finally, the complexity of the brain is difficult to imagine with millions of neurons and billions of synapses. Stimulation of the sensor is nociceptive or eudynia. Malfunction of the wires is neuropathic. Note that neuropathic pain is divided into central and peripheral parts of the pain nervous system because, while relatively little is known about either, these two parts of the pain pathways are clearly distinguished from each other. Essentially, no pain condition is unifactorial. For the actual pain conditions that the practicing physician encounters, it's useful to assess the pain using a conceptual framework. This approach is useful as a tool in assessing an individual patient's pain and deciding on treatment within the conceptual pain model. The subject of pain is very extensive and has many branches that we will see and analyze in the following blogs. If you want to know more about pain from all aspects, subscribe